In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your web history using Gmail. Whether you're keeping track of your online browsing activities or just curious about the trails you've left on the internet, knowing how to access your web history can be invaluable. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps necessary to accomplish this. First, we need to access your Google account settings. Begin by opening a new tab in your web browser and heading over to myaccount.google.com. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Google account, from privacy settings to personal data. Once the page loads, make sure you are signed in with your Google account. If not, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find a series of options listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, look for the option labeled Data and Privacy and click on it. This section deals with how your data is managed and gives you insights into your data usage across Google services. Scroll down until you see the section titled History Settings. This is the area where you can manage what activities Google tracks, including your web history. Within this section, you'll notice a few different options like web and app activity, location history, YouTube history, and more. Focus on the web and app activity option and click on it. Upon accessing the web and app activity page, you'll see a toggle at the top of the page. This toggle enables or disables whether your app and web activity are saved. If you're only interested in viewing your history rather than altering how it's recorded, leave the toggle in its current position. Just beneath, there's a Manage Activity link. Clicking on this will redirect you to a page detailing your activity history. This page showcases all your past web searches and sites visited, neatly organized by date. Now let's explore how you can drill down into specific details. You can click on any item listed to see more information, such as the exact date and time of your activity, as well as which device was used. There's even an option to delete individual items or entire entries based on date ranges if you wish to clear certain parts of your browsing history. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to view and manage your web history using Gmail. Knowing how to access and control this data not only helps you maintain privacy, but also gives you a clearer picture of your digital footprint over time. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever necessary to ensure you're making the best use of your activity data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides to navigate the digital world with ease.